Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of forest axes. Whether you're a seasoned woodsman, camper, or just looking for a reliable tool for outdoor projects, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best forest axes available right now. These axes have been chosen for their quality, performance, and value. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more details. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the JCHOPE Hultafors ABY forest axe. Made by the renowned Swedish brand Hultafors, this axe features a 24-inch hickory handle and a hand-forged alloy steel head with a blade length of 3.2 inches. The build quality is excellent, with a focus on balance and durability. The included leather sheath and gift box are a nice touch, making it a suitable gift for outdoor enthusiasts. In terms of performance, this axe is lightweight at just 2.2 pounds, making it easy to handle for extended periods. It's well suited for tasks like light chopping and trimming. However, its smaller head weight of 700 grams doesn't provide the heft needed for heavy-duty splitting or felling large trees. This makes it more appropriate for recreational uses and smaller forest projects. On the downside, the JCHOPE Hultafors axe has fewer customer reviews compared to others on this list, with mixed feedback on its edge retention. That said, it's a solid option for those who value craftsmanship and portability. If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile axe for outdoor tasks, this one's worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Estwing 4-pound full-sized axe. This beast of a tool is designed for serious woodcutting tasks. With a massive 36-inch American hickory handle and a 4-pound head, this axe is built for power and efficiency. The handle is made from premium U.S.-sourced hickory, offering durability and excellent shock absorption. In performance, the Estwing axe excels in cutting and splitting tasks, making it a favorite for those who work with large logs or need an axe for heavy-duty forestry. However, at 5.53 pounds in total weight, it can be tiring to use for extended periods, especially for users who prefer a lighter tool. Additionally, its straight blade edge provides clean cuts but may require regular sharpening to maintain peak performance. The main drawback is the lower customer rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. Some users have reported quality control issues, particularly with the fit and finish of the handle. Still, for raw power and durability, the Estwing full-sized axe is a strong contender for heavy-duty jobs. At number 3, we have the Hudson Bay axe from Snow and Neely. This classic design features a 1.75-pound head mounted on a 24-inch hickory handle. The axe is lightweight, portable, and versatile, making it a favorite for campers and those working on smaller woodcutting tasks. It also comes with a genuine leather blade sheath, which adds to its overall value. The Hudson Bay axe is designed for precision and control. Its smaller head weight makes it ideal for activities like chopping kindling, shaping wood, or light forest tasks. However, it's not suited for heavy-duty splitting or felling large trees. The craftsmanship is solid, though some users have noted that the factory edge may require additional sharpening before use. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, this axe is well regarded but slightly less versatile compared to higher-ranked options. If you're looking for a lightweight, dependable axe for camping or small-scale projects, the Hudson Bay axe is a fantastic choice. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Husqvarna hatchet. This small axe is designed for one-handed use, making it perfect for light woodcutting, camping, and gardening. It features a 13-inch hickory handle and a 1.32-pound hand-forged Swedish steel head. The craftsmanship is top-notch, and the included leather sheath adds both protection and style. Despite its compact size, this hatchet delivers impressive performance. It's well-balanced, easy to control, and sharp enough for tasks like splitting kindling and clearing brush. Its lightweight design makes it a breeze to carry on camping trips, and the durable hickory handle ensures it can withstand years of use. Rated 4.7 out of 5 stars by nearly 900 customers, this hatchet is extremely popular and highly recommended. The only downside is that it's not suited for heavy-duty tasks due to its smaller size. This hatchet delivers impressive performance. It's well-balanced and highly recommended. But if you're in the market for a portable, reliable axe for light outdoor activities, the Husqvarna hatchet is hard to beat. If you're in the market for a portable, reliable axe for light outdoor activities, the Husqvarna hatchet is hard to beat. But if you're in the market for a portable, reliable axe for light outdoor activities, the Husqvarna hatchet is hard to beat. If you're in the market for a portable, reliable axe for light outdoor activities, the Husqvarna hatchet is hard to beat. If you're in the market for a portable, reliable axe for light outdoor activities, the Husqvarna hatchet is hard to beat. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Husqvarna 20-inch wooden curved carpenter axe. This axe is a masterpiece of engineering and craftsmanship, made with premium hickory and Swedish steel. The 2-pound hand-forged head is designed for fine control, making it ideal for carpentry projects and precision work. The leather edge cover is a nice addition for safety and storage. What sets this axe apart is its versatility. The curved handle provides an excellent grip and balance, allowing for precise cuts and controlled swings. It's not just a carpenter's axe. It performs exceptionally well for light splitting, trimming, and general woodwork. At 2.42 pounds, it's lightweight enough for extended use without fatigue. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars and glowing reviews for its durability and design, the Husqvarna Carpenter Axe is the ultimate choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, multi-purpose axe. While it's not designed for heavy-duty splitting, its superior build quality and versatility make it the best overall forest axe on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect forest axe. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Have any questions or thoughts on these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.